Assalamu alaikum to all the students and a very warm welcome to you all in our English literature class. This is our lecture number 11 and lesson number 5, The Humble Mr. Heap. Okay, we have completed 4 lessons. Till Betsy Trotwood, we have completed the written work as well as the lectures. Now, today we will start lesson number 5, which is The Humble Mr. Heap. This is the overview of lesson number 4, which we have already done. First chapter was I find my way to Dover, means David is saying that he found Salem House to take the rest when he was in the journey to Dover. Okay, he started the journey towards Dover to meet his Auntie Betsy, and it took to him 6 days. Okay, and continuously he was walking. He was thirsty, hungry, and he was just covered with the dust of roads. Okay, but he was in on his way, and he decided to meet her. So he took rest for some time at with the wall of Salem House. Then he reached to Dover after 6 days walking. He also thought to be a beggar because the shopkeepers over there at Dover, when he was asking the address of Auntie Betsy, everybody was seeing him and he was covered with the dust, and he was full of, you may say, his dress were torn, and he was looking very weak with his face. So everybody was thinking that he is um, a beggar. Okay, and nobody was even listening to him. And the servant of Auntie Betsy, she was at a shop, and she took him to Miss Trotwood's house, as she saw that David is asking to everybody Miss Trotwood's house. So she thought that she should tell him the address. Okay, so Janet, whose name was Janet, and she took him to the house. Then David meets his aunt. What happened over there? Miss Betsy did not recognize him first because he was not looking David. He was looking like a beggar, and he was looking like a servant boy. So she also thought that David is not her nephew, but she thought that he is a servant boy, and he just rejected his services. She said that no, we don't need any boy. And when auntie discovered that what happened with David, then she also cried. David also burst into the tears, and both were very happy to meet with each other. Then Miss Trotwood said Janet to heat some water and borrow a dress of boy from the neighbor, and she told David to take a bath, then we will have lunch. And she also treat him very in a very nice manner. She also called to Mr. and Miss Murdstone to take David, okay, and to know what the real story is. Then Auntie decided to keep David with herself after listening the whole story, and after listening the whole thinking of Mr. Murdstone that he is not treating him very well. Then Mr. Murdstone and Miss Murdstone, they both told Auntie Betsy that if he is not coming with us today, then he will not be allowed to enter at my home for the rest of his life. ठीक है, अगर वो आज हमारे साथ नहीं चला तो फिर वो कभी भी हमारे घर में दाखिल हो नहीं पाएगा. We will not allow him to come inside in our house. Then they walked out from the cottage without David, and Miss Trotwood, she didn't allow David to go with them. Then they both went to Mr. Wickfield's house, and Auntie thought that David should take a new start with his studies, and should continue the education at Canterbury, because it is very near to the Dover. So he will be very near to me, कि वो आसपास ही कहीं रहेगा, आसपास के ही किसी साइड पे रहेगा, तो he will be very near to me. और कैंटरबरी में उसका स्कूल न्यू था जो वो स्टार्ट करने चाह रहे थे. then she decided कि till you are getting your education, so you should live with Mr. Wickfield at his house. And David went over there. He met Agnes also at Mr. Wickfield's house, who is the daughter of, she's the alone daughter of Mr. Wickfield. And Uriah Heep he also met. ठीक है, and he was a person who was having cold and wet hands like fish. Okay, and उसके कुछ manners, उसके कुछ styles David didn't like at that time. ठीक है. Acha. Now we are going to start lecture number 11, which is lesson number 5, The Humble Mr. Heap. The important characters of lesson number 5 are David Copperfield, obviously, he is the main character. Then Mr. Wickfield will be over there, Dr. Strong will be over there, okay? Agnes, who is the daughter of Mr. Wickfield, she will be there. Uriah Heep, who is the worker of Mr. Wickfield, okay? And then Mrs. Heap, also, who is the mother of Uriah Heep. Acha, the first chapter is at Canterbury. Now, if you are having your books in front of you, it is page number 28. Okay. And next morning after breakfast, okay, before starting reading, I want to tell you the most important points of this lesson. That David was introduced to Dr. Strong because he was the owner and headmaster of the school at Canterbury. Okay, उसको introduce किया जाता है. David felt strange as he had never been to school before. ठीक है, एक continuation में जो school होता है, he was not taking those type of school classes before, and he was feeling very strange as he saw the boys in the classroom, क्योंकि वो Salem House भी गया, ठीक है, but he didn't stay, he was not stable over there. वहाँ से वो चला गया, भाग गया, whatever happened with him. तो उसने कभी स्कूल को स्कूल की तरह फील नहीं किया. ही हैड नेवर प्लेड विद द बॉयज़, ही हैड नेवर स्पेंड टाइम विद द बॉयज़, so he was very nervous and feeling strange at that time. Agnes also talks with friendly with David when he was living with when he was staying with Mr. Wickfield at his house. Then Mr. Wickfield also made David feel easy at his home by having a friendship manner with him. ठीक है, उन दोनों ने, Mr. Wickfield and his daughter Agnes, they both decided to be very friendly with David so that he could feel easy and comfortable at his house. Now come to the page number 28. Next morning after breakfast started school again, I was introduced by Mr. Wickfield to Dr. Strong. Okay, Mr. Wickfield took David to the school and he introduced in front of Dr. Strong to David, who was the owner and the headmaster of the school at Canterbury. Okay, Dr. Strong took me to the classroom, which was a very large hall on the quietest side of the house. Okay, about 25 boys were working when we went in. Okay, in the classroom, the boys were 25 in number. They stood up to say good morning to Dr. Strong because he was the headmaster. Obviously, when in your class, when you are taking class in the classroom, when your principal came inside or headmaster came inside, so everybody stands. Okay, they greet this principal or headmaster. So they were also doing the same. They say good morning to them and remained standing when they saw Mr. Wickfield and me. Okay, when they saw, the classroom boys saw that headmaster has got a new boy with him, so everybody was keep standing at that time. A new boy, David Copperfield, said Mr. Strong. उन्होंने उसका introduction करवाया, उसको welcome करने को कहा. The oldest boy then stepped out of his place and welcomed me. He showed me my desk and introduced me to the masters. Meaning the oldest boy of the class who was taking the class from the first day, he stepped out of his desk. वो अपनी जगह से उठकर उसके पास आता है and he welcomed him, he showed him to the desk also and introduced to the masters. I felt strange because I had not lived with boys so far for so long, because एक लंबा gap, एक a very long distant gap has become between school and David. So he was feeling very strange. While I was at Mudstone and Grimby's, I had never played sports and games. Obviously, it was a job place over there. ठीक है, David was working over there, तो obviously वहाँ पर sports और games का तो कोई concept नहीं था, because everybody was working over there at Mudstone and Grimby's. Now I had forgotten how, when I was examined, I knew nothing and was put in the lowest class in the school. जब उसको examine किया गया, obviously when somebody is coming in the school and starting admitting over there, तो when he was how he was judged कि वो किस क्लास में प्लेस करता है. If he is saying that I will be in class 5, तो क्या आप उसको class 5 में बिठा लोगे? No. In our school also, when someone comes and take start, तो हम उसका टेस्ट लेते हैं. ओके, और वी विल कॉल देयर लास्ट रिपोर्ट कार्ड, जो रिजल्ट कार्ड होता है, द लास्ट प्रीवियस स्कूल और प्रीवियस क्लास रिजल्ट कार्ड जो लास्ट रिसेंटली होगा. ठीक है, इफ़ ही इज सेइंग दैट ही हैजंट गॉट द रिजल्ट कार्ड और रिपोर्ट कार्ड, तो वी विल टेक द टेस्ट. एडमिशन टेस्ट विल बी taken so that we can identify, we can examine that in which class, in which standard he should be sitting in the फॉर द फ्यूचर। तो उसका भी एग्जामिन किया गया। व्हेन ही वाज एग्जामिन, तो ही न्यू दैट आई नो नथिंग। ठीक है, उसको ऐसा लगा जैसे मुझे कुछ भी नहीं पता था, एंड आई वॉज पुट इन द लोएस्ट क्लास इन द स्कूल। ठीक है, आई वेंट बैक टू मिस्टर विकफील्ड्स हाउस आफ्टर स्कूल वॉज ओवर। देयर वॉज सच अ फ्रेंडली फीलिंग देयर that my worries disappeared. Okay, Mr. Wickfield and Agnes was very friendly with David. They were treating him very well. So the his all the worries about his future और पीछे पास में जो कुछ भी उसके साथ हुआ, तो दे ऑल डिसअपियर्ड, वो एकदम से गायब हो गई उसके माइंड से। सारी वरीज जो है वो निकल गई। एग्नेस वॉज इन द सिटिंग रूम विद हर फादर। शी मेट मी स्माइलिंग प्लीजेंटली एंड आस्क्ड मी वेदर आई लाइक द स्कूल और नॉट। ठीक है, उसने गपशप करने के लिए, थोड़े से उससे चिट चैट करने के लिए उससे पूछा, हाउ वॉज द स्कूल, हाउ वॉज योर फर्स्ट डे एट स्कूल, डिड यू लाइक दैट और नॉट। आई सेड एक्सपेक्टेडली I would like it very much, but that it was rather strange at first. ठीक है, उसने क्या कहा कि it was strange at first. I was very nervous and I was very surprised to see the boys over there कि sports भी हैं और extra curriculum activities भी हैं, studies भी हैं. Everybody was very friendly with him. So it was looking me very strange, but I like it much. Mr. Wickfield told me I would be happy with Dr. Strong, okay, as he had got a very bad experience of principals. ठीक है, Mr. Creakle थे, then उसके बाद one of द सैलम हाउस के कौन थे, हाँ मिस्टर क्रिकल ऑब्वियसली। तो उसके हेड पे जो कुछ लोग थे, मिस्टर मर्डस्टोन थे, देन उसकी मिस मर्डस्टोन थी, देन मिस्टर क्रिकल, फिर मिस्टर क्वीनियन। तो ही वाज इन अ वेरी बैड कंडीशन ऑफ देयर बॉसेस। ठीक है, प्रिंसिपल इज जस्ट लाइक इफ़ यू से दैट ही इज़ अ बॉस, तो उसके सर पे जो जितने भी लोग थे स्टार्टिंग से, तो ही हैड अ वेरी बैड एक्सपीरियंस अबाउट देम ऑल। So Mr. Wickfield said that you will be having a very nice experience with Mr. Strong, okay, Dr. Strong, who was one of the kindest men he knew. कि अब तक जितने भी लोगों से मैं आदमियों से मिला हूँ, तो he was very kind in all them. After dinner we went up to the sitting room again. बेटे, I'll tell you, Ahad, just wait. After the lecture I'll tell you, okay. Acha, after dinner, we went up to the sitting room again. Agnes worked and talked to Mr. Wickfield. She played some games with me also. Okay, उसको friendly और अच्छा feel कराने के लिए they started talking to him, and also played game with him and looked at my school books also. After she had gone to bed, Mr. Wickfield said to me, would you like to stay with us? ठीक है, what did he ask, that would you like to stay with us or go somewhere else, are you feeling comfortable over here with us, that Agnes is here, he is talking, she is talking to you, and how are you feeling over here, because it's a new place for him। ठीक है ना, किसी और के साथ किसी और के घर में जाके रहना, खाना पीना, देयर इज सम डिस्टेंस बिटवीन देम। वो फर्स्ट टाइम उन लोगों से मिला था, तो ही वॉज फीलिंग समथिंग नर्वस, और आर यू फीलिंग कंफर्टेबल ओवर देयर। मिस्टर विकफील्ड ने उससे थोड़ा सा फ्रेंडली होकर पूछने की कोशिश की कि वुड यू लाइक टू कंटिन्यू स्टेइंग ओवर हेयर विद मी or Agnes or not। So what did he say, I would like to stay here, I answered quickly, you are a fine lad। David ने क्या कहा कि I would like to stay here till my schooling is going on। Then Mr. Wickfield said, you are a fine lad, a friend for both Agnes and me। ठीक है, Agnes और मेरे लिए तुम एक फ्रेंड की तरह हो। as long as you enjoy being here you may stay। जब तक तुम्हारा दिल चाहे, जब तक तुम इस यहाँ पर रहने को enjoy कर सकते हो। ठीक है, it will not be a burden for you, it will not be a boredom for you। जब तक तुम बोर नहीं हो जाते, uncomfortable feel नहीं कर लगते, you may stay over here till you are enjoying being here। He told me that I could come down to his room at any time in the evening to sit with him or to read. Means if you are having any problem regarding studies, so you can come down to my room in the evening time, anytime, okay, in the evening, and you can sit with me if you want to read, you want any help। I thanked him for his thoughtfulness। ठीक है, उन्होंने उसके लिए इतना सोचा, उसको इतना कंफर्टेबल फील कराने के बारे में सोचा, उसके बारे में इतना कंसर्न थे, because he was having a very bad experience regarding his studies, his house, his comfortability with everything, so he was very concerned for him। Then I was going downstairs later when I saw a light in the little office। एक छोटा सा ऑफिस था वहाँ, जब वो स्टेयर्स उतर कर जा रहा था, तो he saw a light over here। I felt a kind of interest in Uriah Heep and I immediately went in, और फिर वो उस रूम में गया। Uriah was reading a big fat book with great attention। His thin finger followed every line as he read। Okay, Then we are having chapter number 2. David talks with Uriah Heep. Okay, the most important points of this chapter is David had discussion with Uriah, obviously when he is getting inside the room of Uriah where he was reading the book. Okay, एक मोटी सी book पढ़ रहा था. So when he will be going over there, तो obviously they had a discussion with each other. Then Uriah tells about himself that he is a very humble person. उसको अपने बारे में बताने की कोशिश करता है. David found Uriah's talking style unpleasant. वो कुछ बोलने का स्टाइल उसका ऐसा था कि it was looking very unpleasant to David. ठीक है, some people's body language does not touch our heart. ठीक है ना, हमारे दिल को अच्छी नहीं लगती, तो it becomes very annoying for us, so it becomes unpleasant for us. Uriah Heep invites David to visit his house also. Okay, now come to page number 29. You are working late tonight, Uriah, I said. He asked, said नहीं, even he David asked to Uriah that आप इतना late काम कर रहे हैं. Yes, Mr. Copperfield, said Uriah. I noticed that he could not smile like other people did. He could only make his mouth wider to look like a smiling. Means उसका style, speaking style and smiling styles is like that he is not smiling but he is just making his mouth wider. थोड़ा सा अपने माउथ को वाइडर करता to look like smiling. He was not actually smiling but he makes his mouth wider so that everybody can see him smiling, कि सबको ऐसा लगे कि मैं स्माइल कर रहा हूँ. I am improving my knowledge of the law, Mr. Copperfield, said Uriah. I supposed you are quite a great lawyer. David said that. I suppose, मुझे ऐसा लगता है कि you are a very great lawyer. Me, Copperfield, said Uriah. Oh no, I am a very humble person, Mr. Copperfield, and I am very poor and unimportant. Okay, he is looking, he is showing himself down to earth. ठीक है, I had not just imagined that Uriah had wet hands. He was continually rubbing them together, okay, as if he were trying to make them dry and warm. उसको रब करता जाता, ठीक है, and he, it looks like he is trying to making them dry and warm. ठीक है, often he wiped them secretly on his handkerchief. Sometimes he also wiped them, उसको अपने handkerchief अपने रुमाल के साथ पोंछता जाता टिश्यू से. I know I am a humble person, said Uriah. My mother is poor and unimportant too, so she is a humble person like me, and we live in a humble house, Mr. Copperfield, but we have a great deal to be thankful for. ठीक है, means everybody who is coming to us, who is helping us, who is giving us important, तो we thank the person very much. हम बहुत शुक्रगुजार लोग हैं, शुक्रगुजारी को शो करते हैं, but we are very humble. अच्छा, humble doesn't mean कि बहुत डाउन टू अर्थ प्लस पुअर ऑल्सो. ठीक है, दैट विच इज हु इज़ वेरी अनइम्पॉर्टेंट टू हिम. ठीक है, तो ही इज सेइंग दैट आई एम अ हम्बल पर्सन, माई मदर इज ऑल्सो वेरी पुअर एंड अनइम्पॉर्टेंट, एंड वी लिव इन अ हम्बल हाउस मीन्स अनइम्पॉर्टेंट, अ वेरी पुअर हाउस, डाउन टू अर्थ हाउस, जो बहुत ज़्यादा पुअर्टी में होता है. ठीक है, नाउ कम टू द पेज नंबर 30. I asked Uriah if he had worked for Mr. Wickfield for long. ठीक है, David also asked to him that have you been working with Mr. Wickfield for very long? I have worked for him for nearly 4 years. ठीक है, उसने कहा कि आप बहुत अरसे से इनके साथ काम कर रहे हैं. That's why you are staying with him in the same house office. So he said, Uriah Heep said that no, I am working for only 4 years. ठीक है, I have been working with him for 4 years, Mr. Copperfield, said Uriah, since the year after my father's death, means at the same year my father died. So I started working with Mr. Wickfield. I am so thankful for Mr. Wickfield's kindness to me, and I am very thankful to him. I am मैं बहुत ज़्यादा शुक्रगुजार हूँ मिस्टर विकफील्ड का कि he is a very kind person for me. He gave me job. He also gave me a short room, a very small room in his house to continue my practice. ठीक है, perhaps you will be a partner in Mr. Wickfield's business and it will be called Mr. Wickfield and Heap. Then David tried to be very frank with him. तो उसने क्या कहा कि perhaps in future maybe you will be the partner of Mr. Wickfield, और फिर आपके business का जो नाम होगा वो होगा Wickfield and Heap. Oh no, Mr. Copperfield, replied Uriah, I am much too humble for that. Means कि मैं इस काबिल नहीं हूँ, I am very unimportant for that, कि मुझे इतना importance नहीं दी जाएगी कि मैं business में इतना ज़्यादा in रहूँ. Mr. Wickfield is an excellent man, Mr. Copperfield, and your aunt is a sweet lady, Mr. Copperfield. ठीक है, then he praised both of them. ही हैड अ वे ऑफ ट्विस्टिंग हिमसेल्फ अबाउट लाइक अ स्नेक व्हेन ही स्पोक, मीन्स जब वो बातें करता तो वो अपने आप को ट्विस्ट करता, अपनी बॉडी को लाइक अ स्नेक, ओके नॉट लाइक अ स्नेक एक्चुअली, बट इट्स अ फ्रेज यू में से, ट्विस्टिंग लाइक अ स्नेक में अपनी बॉडी को सांप की तरह लोट पोट करना, ट्विस्ट करना, उलट पुलट करना, इस सेंस में। दिस वॉज वेरी अगली, मीन्स इट लुक्स वेरी अगली एंड अनप्लीजेंट टू द पर्सन हु इज़ टॉकिंग टू हिम, जो उससे यूरिया हीप से बात कर रहा है उसको बहुत अनप्लीजेंट लगता है कि वो इतना ज़्यादा अपने आप को ट्विस्टिंग कर रहा है। आई कुड नॉट लिसन टू वॉट ही वॉज सेइंग बिकॉज आई वॉज वॉचिंग हिज बॉडी ट्विस्टिंग, मीन्स जो उसकी डाइवर्शन थी, जो उसकी कंसनट्रेशन थी, इट वॉज नॉट टू हिज टॉकिंग, उसकी बातों से ज़्यादा उसकी बॉडी पे कंसनट्रेट कर रहा था, ठीक है। इट हैपन्स विद द स्टूडेंट्स ऑल्सो व्हेन द टीचर इज़ वेरी मूवेबल, और बहुत सारे लोग ऐसे होते हैं जो व्हेन दे आर टॉकिंग तो दे मूव देयर बॉडी अलॉट, ठीक है। यूरिया ही वॉज इन वन ऑफ देम ऑल, ठीक है। तो ही वॉज ट्विस्टिंग हिज बॉडी अ लॉट, सो डेविड वॉज नॉट कॉन्सेंट्रेटेड ऑन हिज टॉकिंग बट हिज स्टाइल, वो उसको कंटिन्यूसली उसकी बॉडी को ट्विस्टिंग करता हुआ वॉच कर रहा था। A sweet lady, Mr. Copperfield, said Uriah Heep. She greatly admires Miss Agnes, doesn't she, Mr. Copperfield? Then, acha. A sweet lady, Mr. Copperfield, said Uriah Heep. She greatly admires Miss Agnes, means he is talking about Miss Trotwood कि आपकी जो आंटी हैं, she greatly admires Miss Agnes, कि वो एग्नेस को बहुत ज़्यादा पसंद करती हैं, doesn't she, Mr. Copperfield? I am sure everybody does, और उसने क्या कहा कि I am sure that everybody admires her, कि हर कोई एग्नेस को पसंद करता है, मीन्स उसका स्टाइल, उसका स्पीकिंग वे, शी हैज़ अ वेरी प्लीजेंट मैनर ऑल्सो। Oh, thank you, Mr. Copperfield, for that remark. He said, it is so true. Though I am humble, I know it is so true. ओ थैंक यू मिस्टर कॉपरफील्ड, ठीक है। वो उसकी हाँ में हाँ मिला रहा है और उसकी बातों को एग्री कर रहा है, तो ही सेट्स the same thing. He became so excited that he nearly twisted himself off his stool. Mother will be expecting me at home, means it's time to go to home, she said. He said, although we are very humble people, Mr. Copperfield, we are very fond of each other. Perhaps you would like to come one afternoon and have a cup of tea at our poor home. Mother would be as proud as I would be, means he is trying to, who is annotating here? Okay, then he said that she must be expecting me at home and we will be very proud if you are coming for a cup of tea in the evening at our house. उसको ऑफर करता है कि हमारे घर आइए, मदर से मिलिए और this and that. I said I would be glad to come. David said, okay, I will be very happy to come to your house. At last he was ready to leave the office for the night. He put out the light and shook hands with me. His hand felt like a fish in the dark. Uriah then opened the door into the street a little way and crept out. Means फिर वो उससे हाथ मिलाकर वहाँ से चला गया, ठीक है। इट वॉज ऑल अबाउट द लेसन। नाउ वी आर हैविंग दिस presentation question. Okay, I am calling the names. Very quickly you will respond me in the chat box your answers, ठीक है। और मैं अभी फाइंड आउट करती हूँ हु इज़ एनोटेटिंग, कौन ये लाइंस डाल रहा है स्क्रीन पर। Okay, it's very easy to find it out. Acha, question number 1 will be told me by Ali Jafri. You will give me for question number 1, who was the owner and headmaster of the school, name the person. Okay, आपने उस का नेम बताना उस पर्सन का, who was the headmaster of the school at Canterbury, ठीक है, अली जाफरी। देन फातिमा नदीम नंबर 2, हु इंट्रोड्यूस डेविड इनटू द क्लास, क्लासरूम में डेविड को किसने इंट्रोड्यूस करवाया था, ठीक है। Then Rumesa Muzaffar, you will respond me for question number 3. Why David was feeling strange at school? क्या वजह थी he was feeling very nervous and strange at the school? How was David feeling at Mr. Wickfield's house? Halima, you will tell me. Question number 4. ठीक है। 5 will be answered by Ahad Khan. ठीक है। What did Uriah say about himself? Uriah अपने बारे में क्या बताता है? देन जैनब, यू विल टेल मी दैट व्हाई डिड डेविड नॉट लाइक यूरिया, उसका क्या स्टाइल, उसकी क्या अनकंफर्टेबल चीज़ें उसको जो इरिटेट कर रही थी डेविड को। देन नंबर 7 क्वेश्चन विल बी आंसर्ड बाय सुमैया, व्हाट डिड यूरिया ऑफर टू डेविड। ओके, 7 questions we are having right now and you will be responding me for all of them, ठीक है। अच्छा, Ahad asked me that where when will the classes start? Your classes inshallah will be starting by tomorrow. Okay, physically, ठीक है। You have to come to school by tomorrow. Okay, it will be posted, it has posted yesterday नाइट इन द गूगल क्लासरूम, ठीक है, वो आपको बता दिया गया है, यू विल बी कमिंग बाय टुमारो, ओके। एंड टाइमिंग बेटा नॉर्मल टाइमिंग है, इट विल बी 8 to 12:30 आई थिंक, ठीक है, वो आपको सब कुछ आपके शेड्यूल पे गिवन है आपके, ठीक है, जस्ट रीड आउट द शेड्यूल विच इज़ पोस्टेड इन द गूगल क्लासरूम, उसमें आप उसको रीड कीजिए। रुमैसा, which answer you are giving to me, अच्छा ओके, how was David feeling at Mr. No, why David was feeling strange at school। अच्छा, क्वेश्चन नंबर के साथ प्लीज़, आंसर नंबर के साथ मुझे आंसर दीजिए, ठीक है। बिकॉज ही हैड अ वेरी बैड एक्सपीरियंस फ्रॉम मैनी पीपल इन हिज पास्ट, ओके, बट वो स्कूल में क्यों स्ट्रेंज फील कर रहा था, बिकॉज ही हैड नेवर बीन विद द बॉयज़, ठीक है, उसने आज तक इतना लंबा गैप आ गया था उसकी लाइफ में विद द स्टडीज़ एंड विद द बॉयज़, कि ही हैड नेवर बीन प्लेड विद द बॉयज़, कोई गेम्स कोई एक्टिविटीज़ उसने बॉयज़ के साथ नहीं उसकी हुई थी, ठीक है। That's why he was feeling very much strange to look at the boys. अच्छा, David was feeling good in Mr. Wickfield's house. There were talking, taking about school, they're talking about school, Halima. Okay, and he was feeling comfortable over there. ठीक है. अच्छा, that he was poor and lived in a humble house. Okay, why did David? What did Uriah say about himself? Question number 5, ठीक है, that he was poor and live in a humble house, okay। Where are the other students when they are going to respond me? Talking, yes, talking था हलीमा, taking नहीं था वो। अच्छा जी, and who else is giving me response? Which question is left? Last one is left, nothing is left, मैंने सबको assign कर दिए हैं, but they are not giving me the responses, वो मुझे आंसर रिसीव नहीं हो रहे, they are not giving me the answers। I have assigned all 7 questions to the students। One number one question is not responded by someone. I asked question number 1 with Ali Jafri, that who was the headmaster of the school at Canterbury, he didn't reply me yet। फातिमा नदीम से मैंने क्वेश्चन नंबर 2 पूछा था, शी इज़ नॉट हेयर आई थिंक, वेयर आर यू पीपल, इट मीन्स यू पीपल आर नॉट टेकिंग इंटरेस्ट इन दिस lecture। Acha Zainab, David did not like Yuri because he was very strange, and when he talks, he twisted his body like a snake. Very good. Dr. Strong was the owner of the head of the school. Very good. And where are the others? Okay. What did Yuria offer to David? उसने डेविड को क्या ऑफर की थी? And who introduced David into the class? डॉक्टर स्ट्रॉन्ग के अलावा डेविड को किसने इंट्रोड्यूस करवाया था क्लासरूम में? These two answers are left. Number 2 and last. Number 2 and number 7, these two questions are left, and 2 minutes are left in our class. Does Dr. Strong was the owner of the school have a cup of tea in my house? हाँ हलीमा, क्वेश्चन नंबर 2 का आंसर बेटे, यू आर रिस्पॉन्डिंग मी फॉर क्वेश्चन नंबर 1, हु इंट्रोड्यूस डेविड इनटू द क्लास। लास्ट का सही है, व्हाट डिड यूरिया ऑफर टू डेविड, ही ऑफर्ड हिम टू हैव अ कप ऑफ टी एट हिज हाउस, ठीक है। एंड व्हाट इज द आंसर ऑफ क्वेश्चन नंबर 2, हु इंट्रोड्यूस डेविड इनटू द क्लास। Have a cup of tea in my house. It is a last. Okay, the oldest boy. Very good. The oldest boy introduced David to all the other boys in the classroom. Very good. अच्छा जी. So that is all about today's lecture. Okay, half lesson we have done, and inshallah half we will complete it in the next class, which will be on Friday. Okay, your new schedule of virtual classes has been uploaded, has been posted in the classroom. Okay, read it very carefully. The timing of physical classes are also placed over there, so we will meet inshallah not on Wednesday but on Friday. Okay, and the timing is also changed. At 9:05 it will be starting. Okay, now 5 पे क्लास स्टार्ट होगी, एंड यू शुड बी ओवर देयर ऑन फ्राइडे. फ्राइडे को आपकी फिजिकल क्लास नहीं है. योर फिजिकल क्लासेस आर फ्रॉम मंडे टिल थर्सडे, एंड ऑन फ्राइडे इट विल बी योर वर्चुअल क्लास. वंस इन अ वीक यू विल बी हैविंग. और इस वीक हमारी 2 क्लासेस होंगी, तो फ्राइडे को वी विल मीट इंशाल्लाह विद द नेक्स्ट हाफ द सेम लेसन. Okay, till then inshallah, uh, Miss, we will meet tomorrow, inshallah. Oh, हाँ, yes, also tomorrow we will be meeting physically. Okay, yes. चलें जी, okay जी, thank you so much all of you. Inshallah we will meet by tomorrow and onwards. ठीक है? Allah Hafiz to all the students.